I landed on Illinois, so I have to pay your rent.
Abdullah, it's time for Quran.
Okay, coming.
Oh, your makeup.
Oh no, I have to give you some properties.
Quickly.
Okay. I have to give you this. I have Quran lessons to do. I'm going.
Okay.
So you guys also leave your games and join me in the lesson.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, read al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 15a on rules of Ra. Ra is recited thick if it has fatha or double fatha. So over here in Rahimun, this Ra has fatha on it. That's why we must recite it thick. So repeat after me twice. Rahimun, Rahimun, Rahimun. Rasuli, Rasuli, Rasuli. Kathiran. Over here in this Ra at the end, it has double fatha on it. And that means the Ra must be thick. كثيرا 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 صغيرا صغيرا صغيرا. Ra is recited thick if the letter before it has fatha. Over here in wal-ardi, this hamza has fatha and it is before Ra, which has sukoon. That's why we must recite the Ra thick. Wal-ardi, wal-ardi, wal-ardi. أرسلنا أرسلنا أرسلنا. والعصر والعصر والعصر. بالصبر بالصبر بالصبر. Point number 2. Ra is recited thick if it has dhamma or double dhamma. Over here in khayru, this Ra has dhamma on it. That's why we must recite this Ra thick. Khayru, khayru, khayru. أكثر أكثر أكثر. غفور. Over here, in this Ra, which has double dhamma on it, we must recite it thick because it has double dhamma on it. غفور غفور غفور. ذكر ذكر ذكر. Ra is recited thick if the letter before it has dhamma. Over here in Al-Quran, this qaf has dhamma on it, and after it is Ra with sukoon. That's why we must recite this Ra thick. Al-Quran, Al-Quran, Al-Quran. Zurtum, Zurtum, Zurtum. Khusr, Khusr, Khusr. So remember, we just learned 2 rules of Ra. Rule number 1 was that Ra, when it had fatha or double fatha on it, or if the fatha preceded the Ra, then Ra was thick. And point number 2, if Ra had dhamma or double dhamma on it, or if the dhamma preceded it, then it had to be thick. It was very easy, right? And that's the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.